وإذ نجيناكم من آل فرعون يسومونكم سوء العذاب يذبحون أبناءكم ويستحيون نساءكم وفي ذلكم بلاء من ربكم عظيم وإذ فرقنا بكم البحر فانجيناكم وأغرقنا آل فرعون وأنتم تنظرون. And we saved you from the generation of Fir'aun when they were inflicting, when you were touches from him, a very bad punishment, slaughtering your sons and leaving your daughters. And in it there was a great trial from your Lord. In it there is a great trial from your Lord. وَإِذْ فَرَقْنَا بِكُمُ الْبَحْرَ, and when we aparted for you the sea, and saved you and drowned the generation of Fir'aun, and you were watching. So now Allah is mentioning this story of Bani Israel when Prophet Musa was not born yet, and because the Pharaoh, he afraid that somebody is going to destroy his government from Bani Israel. So he was slaughtering all the sons of Bani Israel. He doesn't want to leave any, and that's called ethnic cleansing. A genocide we can call in the modern term today. What was happened to Bani Israel 5,000 years ago, they are doing it to the people of Palestine today. They are not just killing their sons, they are killing their sons and daughters. So that was even worse genocide than the Fir'aun, the Pharaoh. The Pharaoh was only the king in that time 5,000 years ago. He was killing the sons of Bani Israel. What the Bani Israel is doing today, they are killing the sons and daughters of people of Palestine. Okay, so that's too much. It is very critical things. It is a great genocide happening in Palestine. We should raise our voice that we want this genocide to be stopped. And the example here, that Bani Israel were slaughtered their sons by a king in Egypt 5,000 years ago, and then Allah saved them, the God saved them, to splitting the sea and making a way for them to pass. So when the army of the Fir'aun were followed, Fir'aun himself, they were drowned. And Allah said, we saved you. And we drowned the people of Fir'aun. And you were watching. So now what happened now? Everything is turned upside down. Now Bani Israel is making genocide. The people of Palestine being genocide, murdered. You cannot imagine to see the children's body. They are very thin. Their internal organ being consumed for their energy. The 1 million people are being starved to death. Every day people are dying because of hunger. And just recently they allowed some flour, but we don't know that what's going on tomorrow again, and then again tomorrow. World should interfere and to open those blockades to let people to eat and not to allow that genocide to be happen. It is a warning for the Bani Israel. If you do this to people, then something worse happened to you. It is a system of Allah. When people were doing so much injustices, 5 years ago, Allah inflicted people with COVID. Allah can send more punishment to the people of the world if they will not stop this genocide. Committing injustice and seeing injustice and not doing anything, it is equal thing. When you see the people are abused and you do nothing, you are also abuser. And you have you deserve to have equal punishment with abusers. So may Allah not to make us abuser, and rather we can do something for the people of Palestine for the sake of Allah, and we can pray and we can bring out our voices that we want that genocide to be stopped, and may Allah help them. Ameen.